1967 Volkswagen Dune Buggy. Price, $14,700. Mileage, 1,800 miles. Location, Dundalk, Maryland. A vibrant 1967 Volkswagen Dune Buggy finished in metallic red, built on an extended 96-inch wheelbase for improved stability, additional cabin space, and a smoother ride. Power comes from a dependable 1,600 cubic centimeters air-cooled Volkswagen engine featuring polished chrome detailing, delivering the classic performance and unmistakable sound that make VW-powered buggies so enjoyable to drive. Paired with a manual transmission, it offers an engaging, old-school driving experience perfect for weekend cruises and beach town adventures. The extended chassis provides room for a rear seat, making this buggy more practical for carrying additional passengers while maintaining its lightweight and fun-to-drive character. Our dream is simple. We're hoping to reach just 1,000 subscribers. If you enjoy our content, please consider subscribing and supporting our journey. Your encouragement means more than you know and helps us continue creating videos. Every subscription is a small act of kindness that keeps our passion alive. Thank you sincerely. 1914 Overland Racer. Price, $27,250. Location, Charleston, South Carolina. A remarkable 1914 Overland Racer that captures the adventurous spirit of America's brass-era motorsport, built as a lightweight open-wheel race-style machine with unmistakable vintage character. Finished in an eye-catching yellow with black accents, this unique automobile showcases period-inspired styling, wood-spoke wheels, and authentic early racing details that make it a standout at any vintage event or classic car gathering. Powered by a period-correct inline four-cylinder engine, paired with a manual transmission, it delivers a genuine early motoring experience that few surviving vehicles can offer today. The car is a running and driving example, making it suitable for display, demonstrations, or participation in vintage automotive events. 1927 Ford Track T-Roadster. Price, $20,500. Mileage, 1,100 miles. Location, Sherman, Illinois. A bold and aggressive 1927 Ford Track T-Roadster built for performance, combining lightweight construction with classic hot rod styling. Finished in bright red with a black interior, this open-top roadster delivers an unmistakable vintage appearance backed by serious V8 power. Under the hood is a dependable Chevrolet 350 small block engine paired with a legendary M20 Muncie 4-speed manual transmission, providing crisp shifts and an engaging driving experience for true enthusiasts. The drivetrain is complemented by a Chevrolet rear end equipped with 3.73 gears, offering strong acceleration and excellent street performance. 1966 Lotus Super 7. Price, $25,750. Location, United States. A legendary 1966 Lotus Super 7 built with lightweight engineering and race-proven performance. Finished in classic green with a contrasting yellow nose and a black vinyl interior. Power comes from a spirited 1.6-liter Ford pre-crossflow inline-4 engine equipped with dual Weber carburetors, paired with a Quaife 4-speed manual transmission and a limited-slip differential. This combination delivers sharp throttle response, quick acceleration, and the pure driving dynamics that have made the Super 7 an icon among lightweight sports cars. Purpose-built for competition, the car rides on 13-inch Panasport wheels and features an ATL fuel cell, roll bar, and Simpson racing harnesses, emphasizing both safety and performance. Its minimalist construction and exceptionally low weight provide outstanding handling, making it equally at home on winding roads or vintage race circuits. 1983 Volkswagen Rabbit. Price, $14,000 Canadian dollars. Mileage, 127,000 kilometers. Location, Springwater, Ontario. Truly one-of-a-kind 1983 Volkswagen Rabbit GDI Carman that has been professionally transformed into a custom mini truck, creating a rare build that stands apart from traditional Volkswagen projects. Originally manufactured in Germany, this unique conversion retains its original 127,000 kilometers and is powered through an automatic transmission, making it both distinctive and easy to drive. The custom body features a clean-shaved door design with hidden handles, a clip-in removable roof, and an automatic tunnel cover opening that adds a modern, show-quality touch to its already eye-catching appearance. The exterior showcases extensive custom fabrication, giving the Rabbit an unmistakable profile that is sure to attract attention at car shows and cruise nights. 1967 Volkswagen Beetle Volksrod. Price, $18,500. A distinctive 1967 Volkswagen Beetle Volksrod that blends the timeless charm of the classic Beetle with the bold styling of a traditional hot rod. Featuring the signature stretched front end, exposed suspension, and aggressive low-slung stance, this custom build delivers a unique appearance that stands apart from both classic Volkswagens and conventional street rods. Its handcrafted design highlights creativity and individuality, making it a true attention grabber wherever it goes. Built to capture the spirit of vintage hot rodding, the Volksrod combines lightweight Volkswagen engineering with custom fabrication for an engaging and enjoyable driving experience. 1931 Ford Model A Racer. Price, $18,500. Location, Rapid City, South Dakota. genuine piece of American motorsport history, this 1931 Ford Model A Racer was originally built in 1931 in Torrington, Wyoming on a Model T chassis while retaining Model A components throughout the rest of the car. Purpose-built for oval track competition, it raced extensively across Colorado, Kansas, and Nebraska before World War II, making it an authentic survivor from the golden age of Midwest dirt track racing. Its narrowed axles and lightweight race-oriented construction reflect the engineering practices of early American race cars, preserving the character and spirit of the era. 383 powered land speed Lakester. Price, $9,964. Location, Long Prairie, Minnesota. Purpose-built land speed Lakester engineered for extreme high-speed competition. Originally constructed in 2012 with lightweight aluminum bodywork mounted to a tubular steel chassis. Designed specifically for the legendary Bonneville Salt Flats, this race machine achieved a reported top speed of 186 miles per hour during its initial competition and has continued its racing career after extensive mechanical upgrades. Following a complete rebuild of its drivetrain, it successfully competed at Bonneville events from 2022 through 2025, earning B, C, D, and E competition licenses that demonstrate its proven performance and reliability. Power comes from a professionally rebuilt 383 CI Stroker V8 equipped with a Holley electronic fuel injection system, Edelbrock intake manifold, Dart Pro 1 aluminum cylinder heads, Callie's Compstar crankshaft, and an Urson Performance camshaft. 1929 Chevrolet Coupe Rat Rod. Price, $24,500. A raw and aggressive 1929 Chevrolet Coupe Rat Rod built in true traditional hot rod style, showcasing a stripped-down, no-nonsense design focused on attitude and mechanical character. This build emphasizes a classic garage-built aesthetic, combining vintage 1920s Chevrolet body lines with heavily modified rat rod styling that gives it a bold and unmistakable road presence. Designed to deliver a rugged and visceral driving experience, this coupe represents the spirit of early hot rodding culture. Minimal polish, maximum personality, and a strong focus on mechanical function over refinement. The exposed, weathered-inspired presentation highlights its custom nature, making it a standout piece for enthusiasts who appreciate raw, unconventional builds. 1961 Cooper Monaco MK3. Price, $71,000. Location, United States. A historically significant 1961 Cooper Monaco MK3, one of only 3 examples built for the 1961 racing season, representing a true landmark in early 1960s international motorsport. Originally ordered by British privateer Peter Barry, this chassis, CM/3/61, was completed at Cooper's Surbiton factory and assembled with direct involvement from Bruce McLaren, who installed and tested its 2.7-liter Coventry Climax FPF inline-4 engine according to FIA Appendix C specifications. The car made its competitive debut in the 1961 Los Angeles Times Grand Prix at Riverside Raceway, where Bruce McLaren drove it to an impressive second-place finish behind Jack Brabham. It later competed at Laguna Seca, securing a strong 4th-place result before being acquired by the legendary Briggs Cunningham. Under Cunningham's ownership, it was re-engineered by Lance Reventlows RAI, which replaced the original power plant with a period Buick V8, significantly altering its performance character.